Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Update iOS and confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is on so Apple Pay verifies instantly. Make sure you have the physical card and any 2FA info from your bank. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. Use the camera or type numbers manually. Once done, accept the terms and choose the card's billing address. This begins secure tokenization. Apple will not store the actual card number, which keeps your payments private. Once your card is added, the bank will ask you to verify ownership. Choose SMS, email, bank app push, or a quick phone call. Complete that step. Verification links or codes usually arrive within minutes. After verified, set your default card and wallet so payments default correctly, and enable Express Transit if you use transit frequently. Then enable Face ID for Apple Pay under Settings so you can authenticate with a glance. This ties security to biometric consent and speeds checkout. Finish by testing a small purchase at any contactless terminal. Hold the top of your iPhone near the reader and double-click the side button, then glance to authenticate with Face ID. If payment declines or a card shows pending, remove and re-add it and repeat verification. If it still fails, call your bank to activate the token. Also make sure region and date and time are correct, and wallet isn't blocked by screen time. Those settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.